everyone in this new video. Today we are going to learn new tips. Allora, our first tips is this. Call an empty task and from tips empty copy the position. You can copy the transform all copy component. You are copying position of x, y, z and all the others date. And if you want to go to another empty and pass the component. You can see the sorry, is to go out past, so they are at the same position. And if we add an icon, right, okay, we add the past and tips script in the child. So this is the first tips, and you can also copy an object in the hierarchy. So if you copy, for example, event system, cmd c and cmd v, you have copied the same item. So now we can delete this. Now learn a new tips. So we can create a script directly from the inspector of our empty. So if you go to add component, new script, we can add the name test, and if you click create and add, we have created our scripts and also added to this empty. Very useful if you want to earn time. Another important tips is that you can choose R. You can choose R if you want the debug mode, and you can see all the dates for debug your game. And also, if you if we add to test tips a private variable, now I will see to you. Okay, it's loading. Okay, if we add a private variable, I don't know, private float, see it. Okay, it is private, so you can't see it if you don't enable the debug log, or if you don't have the serialized file mode on the variable. So go to Unity. Okay, we can see it. You can see the variable, and if we disable the debug log to normal, we don't see it. Amazing. Okay, reset to normal, and now you can use math calculation for in the inspector. So now we can go, for example, to this 100 for open at 10 for 2000. Or you can do every type of math calculate you want. Very useful also this. And the last tips of today is that from window, you can seek asset store, and you can open the asset store directly from your Unity. And you create another window where you can download all the package you had to buy, and you can buy new package, or all what you want to do. And the another extra today, the last tips that I want to say today is that the collaborate mode. You can collaborate with your friends or every that participate in the project, and everything you modified, your edit is there. And if you click publish now, you are sending to all the people in the project the same thing. Very useful for don't use USB, but directly on internet. Okay, for today is all. You can find all the files on the Patreon page. Please support us, and thanks for the videos.